Hello and welcome to Name's 3 Days Weather Forecast. Our presentation for Saturday, I'm Olubi, Adademola, and this is going to run its course into Sunday and Monday. Saturday mornings wakes up with some activities of thunderstorms over part of Benue into part of Kogi, and we expect this to advance westwards to affect some parts of the inland of the southeast and the inland of the southwest and the coastal areas as well. Areas around Abuja and environ will also likely have thunderstorms before the end of today, while we expect some isolated thunderstorms that may be precluded to some few areas around part of the northwest of Kano, Katsina, and also part of Guzo. We expect temperatures over the north to range within 33 to 35 degrees Celsius over the northeast, while the northwest will also have temperature ranging around 33 to 34 degrees Celsius over Guzo and Katsina. The FCT reports a temperature of about 29 degrees Celsius as a result of overbearing cloud conditions, while the temperature over the southwest will also range within 28 and 29 degrees Celsius. The southeast will have temperature around 28 to 30 degrees Celsius over cities around Port Harcourt, Yenagoa, part of Owerri, and also part of Asaba. We expect Sunday to also start with fine weather in the morning, with most areas likely to be in cloudy and partly cloudy conditions. But as the afternoon beckons, we expect some activities of rainfall activities over the coastal areas of the country and also part of the central cities of Abuja, Nasarawa, and part of Kwara are likely to have some thunderstorms. We also expect isolated cases of thunderstorm across the northeast of Maiduguri, Yobe, into part of Kano, Katsina, and also part of Sokoto. We expect temperatures over the country to drop a bit over the northeast, as temperature over Maiduguri will be recorded around 32 degrees Celsius. Dutse will report 33, while Sokoto will report a maximum temperature of 36 degrees Celsius. The FCT will have temperature rise to about 30 degrees Celsius, while the inland of the southwest will also have temperature as high as 30 degrees Celsius in most places, while that of the southeast will have most places report temperature within 30 and 31 degrees Celsius. We expect Monday to also start fine, with a lot of cloudy conditions expected around the country. There should be some break over the northwest of the country, as no significant weather is expected over here. But over the northeast, we expect Maiduguri to report some thunderstorms around part of southern Maiduguri, while part of Mambila Plateau and also part of Adademola are also likely to report some thunderstorms. We also expect some thunderstorms over part of Nasarawa and also part of Niger State, while the coastal areas will have mostly cloudy conditions with chances of some isolated rainfall, intermittent as the case may be, over most places in the southeast coast. We expect temperatures to be around 32 to 35 degrees Celsius over the northeast, while we still expect temperature as high as 36 degrees Celsius over part of Sokoto and environ. While the FCT will have temperature around 31 degrees Celsius, we expect Niger to report a temperature high of 32 degrees Celsius. The southwest also have temperature increase over most cities, as we expect 32 degrees Celsius predominantly expected over the southwest. The southeast, inland and coastal areas will also not have temperature change much, as we expect a high of about 31 to 32 degrees Celsius over cities in the southeast. And that's where we'll leave you for this 3 days weather forecast. I'm Olubi Adademola. Do enjoy your weekend.